Hey everyone, welcome back. Samsung is officially bringing its AI home companion robot, Ballie, to market this summer. First introduced at CES in January 2020, Ballie started as a small robotic ball that could roll around, follow voice commands, record video, and even assist around the house. Since then, it has evolved into a much smarter and more capable device. Now powered by Google Cloud generative AI technology, Ballie is designed to offer natural human-like conversations and provide fully personalized assistance in daily life. It's worth pointing out that Samsung says Ballie can control smart home devices, adjust lighting, greet guests, learn routines, send reminders, and more, all while moving autonomously through the home. An animated promo video highlights Ballie helping a child pick a video to watch, giving outfit suggestions, reminding someone to wear a coat due to chilly weather, and making sure everyone gets out of the door on time. With Google Gemini AI integrated, Ballie can process audio, visual input from its camera, and environmental sensor data to offer pretty helpful suggestions, even ones focused on improving health and well-being. While Samsung has yet to reveal pricing or an exact release date, customers can now pre-register for Ballie on the official Samsung website ahead of its summer debut.